Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a very simple and a delicious single layer cake recipe using bananas and eggs. Let's get started. To a jar, I am adding 2 eggs, chopped bananas, 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder, some baking powder, adding 3 tablespoons of milk at room temperature, then blend it into a fine mix. Place a butter paper in a container and grease the sides of the container using ghee or butter. Then pour the mix. So it's ready to cook, and we are going to cook it in a preheated pan. Place it on a grill, then cover it and cook it for 30 minutes in low flame. After 30 minutes, it's cooked well. Let it cool for some time. After 15 minutes, we are going to remove the butter paper. Here I am using the Nutella to cover the top portion of the cake. Spread it evenly. Just for garnishing, sprinkle some cocoa powder, and this is optional. This cake is very soft, and as you know, bananas and eggs are easily available. So do try this quick recipe. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.